Unfair preference claims are one of the most common recovery actions brought by liquidators, allowing them to claw back payments received by creditors before the company entered liquidation. An unfair preference generally occurs where an insolvent company pays one unsecured creditor in circumstances that leave the creditor better off than the other unsecured creditors would be in the liquidation. The law aims to ensure that creditors are treated fairly and that one creditor does not receive a disproportionate benefit shortly before the company collapses or a preference. To succeed, the liquidator must generally establish that the company was insolvent at the time of the payment, that the payment occurred during the relevant statutory period, and that the creditor received more than it would have received through the normal liquidation process. Common examples include overdue invoices being paid shortly before liquidation, lump sum debt repayments or payments made after significant collection pressure from a creditor. Many businesses are surprised to receive a demand from a liquidator months or even years after receiving what appear to be an ordinary commercial payment. Importantly, receiving an unfair preference claim does not automatically mean that the money must be repaid. Several defenses may be available depending on the circumstances. One of the most significant is the good faith defense, where the creditor can demonstrate that it received the payment in good faith, provided value in exchange, and had no reasonable grounds to suspect the company was insolvent. Another important defense is the running account defense, which may apply where there was a continuing business relationship involving ongoing supply and payment transactions. Rather than examining individual payments in isolation, the court may assess the overall effect of the trading relationship. Recent High Court decisions have made this defense particularly significant in reducing or defeating some unfair preference claims. The success of any defense often depends on evidence such as invoices, account statements, trading history, emails, payment arrangements, and what the creditor knew about the company's financial position at the time. Small factual differences can have substantial impact on the outcome. Because unfair preference claims frequently involve complex insolvency law, detailed financial analysis, and substantial sums of money, getting advice early is critical. Understanding whether the liquidator can actually prove the claim, what defenses are available, and whether the amount claimed can be reduced or defeated altogether can make a significant difference to the outcome. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of insolvency professionals and let us help you protect your rights.